Primary purpose of the passage. This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about global warming and the possibility of mass extinction because of global warming. The second paragraph talks about greenhouse gases heating up the planet. And the third paragraph says that the trapped greenhouse gas methane is getting released and threatens the ecosystem. So overall, it can be inferred that the passage talks about the risk of global warming. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to describe how humans are causing global warming. The first paragraph has a reference to global warming being the result of human activity, but this reference is limited in scope and cannot be considered the primary purpose. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to describe how global warming may spiral out of control. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the mind map talks about mass extinction as a result of global warming and talks about how carbon dioxide is heating up the planet, and further states that another gas, methane, is getting released, which will add further to the threat to the ecosystem. So overall, it can be inferred that the passage is talking about global warming and increased risk of global warming because of the gas methane getting released. So it is correct to state that the primary purpose of the passage is to describe how global warming may be getting out of control. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, differences between carbon dioxide and methane. The passage discusses methane in the third paragraph and says that methane traps 250% more heat than carbon dioxide. This is the only reference to any difference between the two gases. So this answer choice is limited in scope and doesn't highlight the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, to explain how hydrocarbons are formed. The second paragraph has a reference to oil, a hydrocarbon, and says that it is formed from carbon trapped inside biological organisms. Also, the third paragraph refers to methane, another hydrocarbon, and says that the main source of methane is agriculture. So it can be inferred that there is some discussion regarding how hydrocarbons are formed, but this discussion is limited in scope and cannot be considered the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, to explain what polar amplification is. The third paragraph has a reference to polar amplification. However, this reference is limited in scope and doesn't do justice to the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.